Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today's video is going to be very interesting because today I am actually discussing about the most easiest and the most popular, not that much popular. I think everyone actually know about it, which is actually linear search algorithm. But this video is for, for the beginner who are actually, or like the first year CSE students or uh, who are actually not still familiar with linear search algorithm. So please don't skip this video. Just keep watching. Um, well, so what is actually linear search? So linear search actually is a sequential searching algorithm, and it actually checks each element one by one, and it actually starts from the first element, and it stops when element is found, or the list ends. And it actually works on unsorted data as well. So how it works, it actually, as I already mentioned, that it takes start from the first element, and it compare with the target value, the value you are actually looking for. And if match, it actually return that index, okay, I found. Or if no match, it actually move to next element until, and repeat until found or end of array. So it actually simple, but it actually guaranteed for any data to work. So let's search and find 33 in this list. 10, 25, 33, 47, 55. And you need to, so actually for searching for search algorithm, it's no matter what the data is sorted or unsorted. So now let's have a visual look. So you need to check from index 0 to the last element of the list. So you need to compare with 10. Okay, 10 not 10 is not 33. Then you need to go sequentially go to the next element, and okay, 25 is not 33. And well, yeah, finally I got 33. So it just found that index 2. So it just returned the index. So what if actually like the element doesn't exist? Then like let's say we'd like to searching for 99 in 10, 25, 33, 47, and 55. So the 10 is not 99. So the first element we don't get it. Second element is not 99. So finally we don't found not, and it's actually returned minus 1. The worst case, actually, it actually must check all elements before knowing it actually it doesn't exist. So the here is the Python implementation. So I think this now you can pause the video and you can try have a Python or any language you know. So you can also implement in JavaScript or C++ or C. Well, and so the time and space complexity, which is really important because in the examination, this is also sometimes are you can find that what is the time and space complexity for linear search algorithm, and you can might get that question in interview as well. So the best case is like the time complexity is big O n. The first element is the element that you are actually looking for, and that I already mentioned that found at first position. And also you can like the average case. If you got this on if you got this on the middle, then it actually be going by 2, like found somewhere in the middle. And also the worst case actually the big O n, which is actually the time complexity, and when it can be happen like at least position or not found. So that is the thing, like the about time and space complexity. And so when to use linear search, definitely, as it actually search for sequentially one by one, one by one, one by one. So if you have millions of data, then you actually looking for those millions of data one by one. So I think you already assume, like you already understand that this is not good for large data sets. So it's good for small data sets, and also it also works for unsorted data, and also works for linked list and the one-time search. So when you should avoid for large sorted data sets, frequent searches, and perform critical apps. So you can use binary search for sorted data, which it can be big or log n. So I'll cover binary search on my next video. Well, and next actually the binary search will come up. So thanks for watching, and I believe now you understand the very basic and the easiest one, which is the linear search. And if you like this video, then you can drop your questions in the comments. And if you want any any tutorial about any topic, then please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more algorithms video. So see you on next video. Till then, good luck and bye bye.